Welcome back, everybody. It's Mark with ExoticCar PlayPlace today. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you stick around for the whole movie, because today we're really going to feature some of a montage of some of my most favorite video moments in this beast behind me, this 507 brake horsepower V10 powered E60 M5. I hope you stick around because this is going to be a summary of some of my better drives, some of my best experiences, and I really hope you enjoy it today, guys, being that this is my first experience out for the year. Obviously, we've had a lot of winter this year. It's been a really long winter, and to be honest, it's great to get back behind the wheel of this beast. So really, I hope you stick around, enjoy some of the video clips, and we'll talk to you in the end. So everybody, I hope you enjoyed the drive as much as I certainly did. I know every time I get behind the wheel, it's an occasion. It's not just a drive, it's an occasion. So everyone, please make sure you give it a like, thumbs up, and of course, don't forget to comment below what you think of it. And also, equally important, if you're not already a subscriber to the channel, make sure you become one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and be part of the next series of videos. Of course, don't be shy. Make sure you check out a bunch of the other videos on my channel as well. There's lots of BMW content and certainly lots of exotic car content. So thanks again, everybody. Mark here signing out. We'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.